On the tools is where Sam Taylor is happiest.
Looking back at the end of the day, seeing what you've done, it's really fulfilling.
But the third-year carpentry apprentice isn't always so chipper. He's battled depression and anxiety since high school, and in 2019 his mental health took a turn for the worse.
I didn't want to go to work. It was a struggle to get up and going, whereas I used to love getting up and going to work, and now I do.
That's because Sam asked for help and got the support he needed, but many young tradies don't. To change that, Master Builders ACT introduced mandatory mental health training for its apprentices, focusing on risk factors, self-care and peer support. It's something Sam Reynolds-Smith wishes had been on offer when he was a young tradie.
Unfortunately, unless it was really serious, it was one of those things that we had to suck up and deal with, which is difficult.
In charge of the training is Ozhelp, an organisation founded 2 decades ago after 4 apprentices in Canberra took their lives over a matter of months.
We know from the evidence and the research that early intervention does work, it does help, that the earlier you can get to people, particularly young people, and give them that information and ensure that they know that there's places they can go to get support, the better in terms of preventing some of those tragic consequences.
The program has had such a positive impact, Master Builders is now calling on the ACT government to fund a $1,000 subsidy to pay for every apprentice to undertake the same training.
A lot of our members and a lot of our employers that send their apprentices to training are quite small, so having the funds to be able to support something like this locally can be quite challenging for them.
And if the government does step up,
it will make for a safer and better workforce.
There's a big stigma around having mental health issues. I think breaking down those walls and getting through, it's challenging, but I think it's something that needs to be done.
Building a more resilient industry. Rosie King, ABC News, Canberra.